Ladies and gentlemen, if you're looking for productivity tools, then you're in the right place. Today we're having a look at Superlist. We're also having a look at Things 3. We want to know what benefits they offer, what their features are, and ultimately which one you should be using. Okay, so individuals, large teams, Superlist has been built directly for you. It is available on Mac OS, iOS, Android, as well as web, keeping you organized wherever you go. It connects with Google Calendar, Gmail, Slack, Microsoft, and Linear, and a bunch more. It also is built from the ground up with team productivity in mind. You can see over here as well, it has fast task creation with multi-level lists and subtasks for more complex projects. It offers task assignment, comments, and shared lists, which makes teamwork seamless. You can access your tasks anywhere with a reliable syncing and timely reminder option, and you can track personal or team productivity with built-in analytics tools. This gives you a good overview of everything. Let's have a look at their smart integration. So we have AI-powered task suggestions. So Superlist anticipates your needs by learning from your work patterns. It has intelligent suggestions that help prioritize tasks based on deadlines, importance, and so on. It automatically links related emails, documents, and conversations to your tasks. It eliminates the need to switch between apps to find relevant information, and it also eliminates the chance of actually missing something out. It also adds tasks from anywhere with a keyboard shortcut, and it has a browser extension. It also has voice-to-task functionality, which captures ideas on the go. This is great. Let's have a look at Things 3 now. So Things 3 is an award-winning task manager renowned for its elegant design and its intuitive interface. It is exclusively available on Mac OS, iOS, iPad OS, and Apple Watch. It's designed for individual productivity as well as personal organization. It's visually pleasing, and it really makes task management an enjoyable thing and not a duty. It also helps you to organize all of your tasks. So you can set deadlines, you can change priorities, and you can set reminders for all of your tasks. You can organize these with subtasks and even customizable sections for more clarity. You can create customizable tags for more advanced filtering, and if you are searching for something, and you get quick entry with Siri and deep Apple ecosystem support. The last thing over here is that it is focused on daily planning. So the Today view presents a clear snapshot of immediate priorities, allowing you to focus on what is necessary now. It also offers color-coded tasks which help you distinguish between different types of activities. So, for example, you may have work, and then you may have a meeting, and then you might need to pop over to the gym or go and grab a cup of coffee. So this will all be color-coded in terms of different types of activities. It also has built-in prompts which encourage daily planning sessions to start your day. It also has task completion animations, which provide a very satisfying feedback for all of the finished work that you have done. There you go, ladies and gentlemen, a head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. Now, if you're still unsure, my takeaway is always to go and try them in a real-life scenario and see what actually works for you. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.